All right, the Big Belch, working on the Big Belch. It's been, oh Lord, probably a couple weeks since I had the time to actually get in and do any work. And of course when that happens, you're always like, okay, where was I? Being an artist, it's, you need a certain level of concentration, and when it's broken, you need to get back there. But in any case, I think I was starting to talk about anatomy and the old masters and drawing the figure. It's still really important. I mean, Leonardo and Michelangelo and all those folks really knew what they were doing. And even when one's doing cartoons, it's important. It helps if you do it enough to make drawing, come more naturally. Not that it isn't always a struggle, probably. I mean, I guess part of that is the going away, having to do other things and coming back. But anyway, let's see. I was also going to say something else, I think. Gosh, my brain is so scattered today. Oh, okay, right, yeah. I've been working on this drawing for page 4, and I think I showed you I was having trouble with one of the figures, particularly Monty. So anyway, I've worked on the figures, and now I think they're coming along pretty good for this one panel, the middle panel on page 4.